want a barbecue chicken that is always juicy? You guys, a yogurt marinade from the Middle East that makes the most delicious and moist chicken. For our marinade, I'm going to combine all these ingredients in a Ziploc bag. So it's easy, I just throw it away. And we have 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of paprika, half a teaspoon of cumin, a pinch of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, you know, the ones for pizza, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, the zest and juice of 1 lemon, 4 garlic cloves, and 1/4 cup of minced onion. Tablespoons of olive oil, a paprika, cumin and cinnamon, salt, pepper, and pepper flakes, onions, you can use onion powder if you like, and 4 garlic cloves. Got 2-inch pieces, that way my chicken will not be dried out. Marinated in the refrigerator anywhere from 3 hours to overnight. Make some rice to go with your chicken. And remember, anything you marinate with yogurt would always be moist.